Hi everyone, this is Rashmi Singh.
And this is Aditi Singh.
Today we are going to explain you a subtopic of data structures in C, doubly linked list. So what is a linked list? A linked list in simple terms is a linear collection of data elements. These data elements are called nodes. Now, doubly linked list or a two-way linked list is a more complex type of linked list as it contains a pointer to the previous as well as the next node. When we look at the structure of the linked list, each element contains three parts, host being the pointer to the previous node, then data, and third is the pointer to the next node. Now, why do we use doubly linked list? First, because it is easier to traverse it in both directions. Deletion operation is more efficient as compared to singly linked list. And finally, because inserting a node at any position is fast. The common applications of doubly linked list that we see in daily life and use it every day is music player, navigation, undo redo buttons, and many more. Now we will see the deletion operations on doubly linked list.
So there are total five types of deletion operations. Let's get started with the first one. Deleting the first node from the linked list. So here first we will check if the linked list is empty or not. If so, the control will go to step 6 and we will exit. Otherwise, we will set a pointer to start. And then we will set start to start dot next. That is, this link will be deleted and this link will be established. Then we will set start dot previous to null. So we have finally deleted these two links and hence now we can free this node. So after deleting the first node, the linked list will look like this. Deleting the last node from the linked list. Here again we will check if linked list is empty or not. If so, we will go to step 7 and we will exit. Otherwise, we will set pointer to start and we will run a while loop until we don't reach the last node. That is, after exiting this while loop, our pointer will point the last node. So then we will set pointer dot previous dot next as null. That is, this node is pointer dot previous and its next part will be set to null. And hence we can easily free the last loop. Now deleting a node after a given node in a linked list. Suppose we want to delete a node after a node whose data part is 3. So we will bring our pointer to 3. For that, first we will check if the list is empty or not. If so, we will exit. Otherwise, we will set pointer to start and we will bring our pointer to node 3. Since we want to delete the node after this node, we will set temp as pointer dot next. So this will be temp and we will set pointer dot next as temp dot next. That is, the next part will store address of this node and the previous part of this node will store address of pointer. So these two links are established and these links are broken and hence we can finally delete this node by free temp. So deleting a node before a given node in a linked list. Suppose we want to delete a node before a node whose data part is 4. So we will bring our pointer to 4. So first we will check if the list is empty or not. If so, we will exit. Otherwise, we will set pointer to start and after running a while loop, our pointer will reach the node before which we want to delete. So we want to delete the node whose data part is 3. So we will set this as temp and so this is temp dot previous and this is temp dot next. So we need to change these two pointers. So we will set temp dot previous dot next as pointer. That is, this node's next pointer to this node, and we will set pointer dot previous, that is this node's previous part, to temp dot previous, which is this node. So these two new links are established and these two are broken, and so we can finally delete this node. So the last one is deleting a node at any given position. Suppose we want to delete the node at position 2. First we will get the length of the list and we will check if position entered by the user is greater than length or not. If so, we will exit. Otherwise, we will check if list is empty or not. If so, we will exit again. And then, if not, we will set pointer to start and we will take a counter, set it to 1, and we will run a while loop where until counter reaches to position. So, and in this while loop, we will keep setting pointer to pointer dot next and counter as counter plus plus. So after exiting this while loop, our pointer will reach to the node which we want to delete. So this part will become pointer dot previous and this will become pointer dot next. So now we will set pointer dot previous dot next, that is this part, to pointer dot next, that is we will establish this link, and we will set pointer dot next dot previous, that is this part to pointer dot previous, that is we will establish this link, and hence again we have established the new links and these are broken off and we can finally delete this loop. So thank you everyone, and we hope that you found this video helpful. Please like and share our video and do subscribe to ISA Assets channel.